Hey guys, we're here in Kalama Valley at our newest listing. It's a single level flat lot and it's freshly renovated in 2025. Come check it out. So we got a nice driveway here. You can fit a couple cars along with your 2-car garage. We've also freshly painted the exterior, the brick, and even the gutters. We have a covered entryway, right? We even covered the security gate, and then we put a new screen door as well. As you enter the home, we have a nice little entryway that flows onto the living room. A little bit of a drop down, but it's really nice to separate the living room and the dining room as well. We have brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the whole home, as well as high ceilings, open beam that just make the space feel really open, really big. As you move over to the dining room table, we have a nice little seating area that you can have dinners. As you move over to the kitchen, we have brand new everything. Put in brand new quartz countertops, shaker cabinets, there are soft close, all new appliances throughout, new fixtures, and even a new shutoff valve. We also have brand new double pane windows, perfect for keeping the cold air in with the AC. And then we also have these 2 beautiful new sliding doors that we can enter out into our backyard. As you come outside, we have a nice little dining area, perfect for grilling, perfect for barbecuing, entertaining with family and friends. We also have no direct back neighbor, and so that creates a lot of privacy and feel for those gatherings. We have our first hallway bathroom here. Brand new quartz countertops and shaker cabinets, new toilet and new tile in the shower. And we also have a nice skylight as well for more natural light. Here in our first bedroom, it's a perfect for a kid's room. 2 twin beds fit perfectly. And we have a split AC as well and a new ceiling fan. Here we are in our second bedroom. You can fit a nice full-size bed with drawers on the sides. We also have a sliding door that leads out to the backyard. We have a very large primary bedroom that fits a king-size bed. We got a lot of natural light coming in through the windows, along with our full-size walk-in closet. Here in the bathroom, we have brand new quartz countertops, shaker cabinets, a new toilet, and a nice walk-in shower.
Whether you're looking for a beautifully updated home or searching for your next great opportunity, reach out to us today.